Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, eastern Hampden County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Worcester, Springfield, Chicopee, Holyoke, Amherst, Shrewsbury, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Ludlow, Grafton, South Hadley, Holden, Southbridge, Auburn, East Hampton, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Belchertown, and Wilbraham.